Today we are going to do footwork or taconeo for beginners in flamenco. So my name is Rina Orellana. I am a professional flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience living in Los Angeles, and I am here to help you dance flamenco. Ole, let's begin. So there's many elements to dancing flamenco. We have marking steps, marcaje, that's moving around. We have braceo, that's the upper body, y manos, the hands. Now taconeo is, something that gets a lot of attention and excitement. That's the footwork. So we're gonna learn 3 techniques to begin with. So the first one is called a golpe, and it's flat. And now we want to make sure that you do it properly so you don't hurt your knees. So it's just flat foot, but it's coming from behind. So you're not lifting the knees. Nope, nope, nope. Don't lift those knees. You want to come from behind. Flat foot, flat foot, flat foot. Keep those knees relaxed and make sure that your knees are in line with your toes. So you're not turning out, you're not turning in, they're just properly parallel. So that's the golpe. So we're gonna try it with our hands on our hips. You wanna make sure you have proper posture, so chest up, abs in. You don't wanna hyperextend your chest, you wanna make sure that your rib cage is down, knees relaxed. So let's try that. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's add tacón. Tacón is the heel. Okay, so when I'm doing, it's the same thing, same posture, but you are lifting the heels and you're trying to really stretch out those toes. So when you're in the beginning of it, you probably can't lift your heel too much, but as you get more strength and experience and mobility and flexibility, you'll be able to really lift those heels up so you can get proper sound. So let's practice just the heel, the tacón. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the final technique, and we're going to bring them all together, is planta. Planta is the ball of the foot, and so it's the same format as the golpe in that it comes from behind, and you don't want to lift up the heels, but it's just the ball. So keep that heel up, just the ball of the foot. Okay, so we're gonna do a little combination just to drill those 3 elements. We have golpe, planta, the ball, and tacón, the heel. Now, if you want to learn more about beginning flamenco, I have a free guide for you. It's called the Free Beginner Bundle. There's a link in the description below. It has playlists, it has a practice video, it has vocabulary, everything that you need to begin in earnest with me. Okay, so the first drill we're gonna do, or a combination, we're gonna go flat, heel, 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 and golpe, heel, heel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to switch it to planta, planta, tacón, 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 planta, tacón, 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 planta, and ball. Okay, so let's practice that again. Hands on the hips, abs in, shoulders down, knees relaxed. We're gonna go flat, heel, 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 and flat, heel, 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 and flat, heel, 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 and flat, heel, heel. Now let's go to the ball, planta, planta, tacón, 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 planta, tacón, tacón, tacón. And now we'll go back to the golpe, but switch. Again, Now planta, planta, tacón, planta, tacón, planta, tacón. Now let's practice that with solo compás. Solo compás just means kind of the drum machine, and sometimes there's a guitar with it, and this one has guitar. So the compás, the rhythm, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to start off with the golpe and Tacón. Get into the groove here. Okay, now planta, planta, tacón, planta, tacón, planta, tacón, planta. 1, 2, 1. Back to the golpe. I hope you enjoyed that introduction to flamenco footwork, flamenco taconeo. If you want to learn more about flamenco and how to learn it, how it works, be sure to get my free beginner bundle. There's a QR code here, there's a link here, it's all everywhere. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.